Hi guys, this is Deepak with 91 Mobiles and this is the ZTE Temp Go. This is ZTE's Android Oreo GO edition smartphone, similar to what we've seen from Lava and Micromax. Even the Nokia one is an Android Oreo GO phone. The ZTE Temp Go, which I have in my hand here, is slightly different because it comes with a larger screen. This is a 5-inch FWVGA display. Most of the other Android Oreo GO edition phones we've seen so far come with 4.5-inch screens. The other specs are mostly similar though. This is a Snapdragon 220 processor, 1 GB of RAM, 8 GB of expandable storage. Very standard looking plastic device, but of course this is a budget smartphone. So 5 megapixel camera on the rear, 2 megapixel up front, 2200 mAh battery, micro USB port and 3.5 socket at the bottom, nothing on the left, power button and volume rocker on the right. The main highlight of this phone of course is the fact that it runs the Android Oreo GO edition smartphone, which is a light version of Android Oreo and is optimized to run on phones with low specs. Usual set of apps. These are light versions of the Google apps, which include the Go Assistant, Maps Go, Google Go, etc. Guaranteed updates from Google. So that was a quick look at the ZTE Temp Go, ZTE's Android Oreo GO edition smartphone. Thanks for watching.